Oh my God. Alright y'all, so this is a finished look of this unit, guys. Now this unit, you guys already know, this unit was sent to me from Wowafrican. So I'm going to read all the specs for you guys, but obviously in the video you guys have already seen all the specs. So this unit is their reddish brown, silky straight, 6-inch fitted glueless HD lace wig. The SKU number or style number for this one is 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐿. Now this unit is 22 inches long, guys, the longest length I've gotten from this company. And it's also 180% density, so this is probably the largest density I've gotten from this company in the length. Beautiful, guys. Look at how lush this chocolate brown color is, guys. Very pretty. So this is 6 inches of deep parting space, which you guys can see I did a middle part, and it comes back very far, all the way back here. Obviously I didn't want to do it, you know, all the way back. I just kind of covered that part up. But if you want to go ahead and do a side part, you'll get a really nice side part on this unit, guys. Absolutely stunning. So this is a fitted glueless wig cap, guys, undetectable HD lace, new clean hairline, all bleached knots and everything, guys. I do have a $15 off coupon code, which is DOM15, which I'll leave down below for you guys and in this video, obviously. So the unit is very pretty, guys. I kept it pretty much as simple. I didn't want to be dramatic with this unit, but I kind of kept it simple for you guys. I left it in the middle part style to just show you guys the parting space on this unit. Obviously with this one you can curl it or do whatever you want. I did wash this unit, guys, and when I washed the unit I realized that it had like a little bit of a wave pattern, but nothing crazy. It's definitely a really nice silky straight unit. The 180% density on this one is the deal breaker. Deal breaker, that's not a good thing, but you know what I mean. The 180% is basically the best part about this unit, guys. And the color, it's silky straight, but you guys can see how nice and full the unit is. Like, look at that. Beautiful, guys. Full all the way through. And it has like a nice bounce and luster to it, guys. I was a little nervous with silky straight texture here. I usually like hair that's straight, but with like a little bit of a kink. I get worried about it when it's so silky like this, because I feel like it's not going to look natural. I did do baby hairs on the sides, guys, but I did the baby hairs kind of like light. I didn't want them to be plastered on, so I kind of like, you know, made them wispy in a way, but just very simple baby hairs on both sides. Like I said to you guys, if you guys want to wear it in the side part will actually be really cute as well too. You guys can see, look at that. Look at how clean and pretty this hair is. Look at, oh my God. So freaking cute, guys. A nice clean parting space, 6 inches. Nice natural hairline, guys. And you guys can see the baby hair looks very, very clean and very pretty. The unit is very nice, guys. 180% density, 22 inches. You can't go wrong with this one. Now, in the beginning when I had this wig installed, I did have it with, it had like a little bit of extra lace. One thing that Wowafrican does, they put like a little, it's not a widow's peak area, but they just make a little bit of an area close enough like that. And I think they do that on purpose for people that do have widow's peak. So if you don't, all I do is just, you know, part it and then cut that part off. So I did do that. So you kind of see in the beginning there was kind of like a little extra section in the front here. So if you do have a widow's peak, they have wigs for a widow's peak. So if you have a widow's peak that's down here, they have enough lace to kind of cover that area up, which I like about the company. It gives you options when it comes to cutting the lace on someone's head and all that stuff. So if you have like extra sideburns, the wig is made so that you have enough area space that you can cut and it'll be perfectly fitted. So with this one, I did cut that part off because I didn't need that extra space, and I just kind of made it into a clean middle part. Now with this one, I did spray a little bit of my cleanup spray for the middle part area so that I can just get it a little freshened. I do think that the lace itself is impeccable, guys. Very, very nice, clean, and you guys can see very natural looking, very simple. Middle side part with this one will be kind of fire. The color, as you guys can see, it does say it's like a reddish brown color, but I feel like it's more of a chocolatey brown color. I have gotten so many compliments on this hair color. Everyone keeps stopping like, oh my god, that hair color is so gorgeous, so striking, so nice on you. Guys, it's giving all the vibes. I would turn around and show you guys what the back looks like overall, but guys, honestly, I really do like this unit a lot. I think it's a very nice, simple fall type of look. Definitely great for the season that we're coming into right now, and it's very light, pretty, easy install, by the way, guys. I didn't have to do that much, and with this unit comes as a complete unit, which I call complete unit. So the unit comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that stuff. All you have to do is cut the lace and just customize with some baby hairs. Like, dead serious. Like, you do not have to bleach this unit. You don't have to tint the lace. You don't have to do anything. It's a clean HD lace, guys. So you won't be getting to all that kind of extra handy work trying to do that kind of stuff. So it's an official lace wig that you could just simply slap on your head right out the bag, ready to go. So that's one thing I love about Wowafrican. You do not have to go tweezing anything. You don't have to bleach anything. The wig comes ready. So this wig, guys, I would recommend this one if you're looking for that chocolate brown color. It's not really like reddish in my opinion. I just feel like it's a nice chocolatey brown color and the perfect color for women of color. For anyone that's looking to change up their hair color, this is definitely the way to go. And you guys can see, just so clean, so pretty. Just it's giving. It's just giving, guys. Just so freaking cute. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Wowafrican. Also use my coupon code DOM15 to save $15 off your purchase. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.